Tomorrow morning, friends. Myself, Sunil Pali from India, Nagpur. मैं आज आप लोगों के बीच वर्ल्ड के सबसे बेस्ट अभियान ग्लोबल म्यूचुअल एड फंड के बारे में जानकारी दे रहा हूँ, जिसका नाम MMBSC, जो दुनिया का सबसे बेहतरीन कंसेप्ट और कंसेप्ट हेल्पिंग कंसेप्ट है। मदद देना है, मदद लेना है। मदद की इस ताकत से दुनिया को हसीन और दुनिया को रंगीन और दुनिया को खुशहाल बनाना है। इस अभियान के जनक माननीय श्री सर्गी मावरोडी जी, ही इज बेसिकली फ्रॉम रशिया, लेकिन आज वो हमारे बीच नहीं है, पर उनकी ये एक हेल्पिंग की विचारधारा को जो प्रवाह देने का जो काम आज MMBSC नामक जो संगठन कर रहा है, वो अपने आप में एक तारीफ काबिल है। उस संगठन के प्रयास से सर्गी मावरोडी जी की ये मंशा
Myself Yash Sankere, and I am a student of MMBSC Academy, and currently I completed this course MBC, that is Mavro Basic course. Okay, let's talk about MMBSC. It's a new revolution, a next generation smart contract and a decentralized system. I joined this community on June 21st, 2020, and that time I was not pretty sure that I should continue in this platform or not. I explored its unique feature. My attitude became positive to this community. Some of the unique features were other MMs, that is blockchain smart contract powered by Ethereum, usage of PAX, that is cryptocurrency, and recommitment to the community, stable Mavro growth up to 0.8% to 1% daily up to 30%, then jackpot funds, and then 2+1 rule for the longevity of the system. I learned the use of digital marketing and how we can.
Hello all, this is Sandeep from MMBSC. I have recently completed my basic course from the MMBSC Academy. I have joined this MMBSC on last month in June. I have provided help and I am decided to get help. So MMBSC is not a bank, it's a central, it doesn't contain central account, it's not a government, this is not a company. So it does not have a legal entity, no office, no office space. So we have some unique features compared to other companies. So we have done blockchain smart contract, and we use stable cryptocurrency called PAX, and we do the commitment for every getting help. Then the stable Mavro growth from 0.8 to 1% daily and up to 30% monthly. So we have a leadership and manager bonus, and we have jackpot funds, etc. I request all to join this MMBSC once in a lifetime opportunity. Long live
MMM Academy is a fantastic opportunity to learn and try out newer things. We have been hearing about digital marketing only now, and I got some clarity on how useful it is. Here you will be respected for what you are and can learn at your pace. I was lucky to have Mr. Roshan as my mentor. I could learn a lot of things in a simple way. I recommend everyone to undergo this transformation, unlearn ourselves, overcome challenges. Any academy calls for updation, and updation MMBSC has been doing it every course. Newer ideas and applications are taught to catch up with technology. The subject matter is crisp and sharp and informative. The assignments are in line with recent advancement of technology and the need of the hour. Examples are given.
Myself Sabnam Parveen, I am very much pleased to give my compliment to my great mentor and MMBSC Academy, who have taught me and enabled to learn the ideology and the mechanism of MMBSC, that how this system works. During our learning process through MMBSC Academy, we got to know that MMM is founded by one of the greatest ingenious mathematician and most revolutionary personage named late Sergey Mavrodi in the year 1989. Now we are associated with upgraded version MMBSC 6.0, which runs on Ethereum smart contract using blockchain technology, where there is no admin, no human controller. All inflow and outflow of funds are managed by a smart contract where there is no chance of any mistakes or concealment. Here everything is safe, secure and transparent. We are just
This is Swastik from India. I am a member of Triple BSc for last 2 weeks. Now I am a student of BSc Academy. I am under the course of MBC, Mavro Basic course. I have also completed the course today on 12th of July 2020. In this course, I have studied a lot. We have been provided with some materials, and after studying the materials, we have to do the activities. Every day, new activities we have to do. And in this activity,
दोस्तों नमस्कार, मेरा नाम जिंदर गौतम है। मैं ट्रिपल MBSc एकेडमी ज्वाइन किया हूँ, जो कि आज चौथा दिन है, कंप्लीट हो रहा है हम लोग का कोर्स। हमारी ट्रिपल MBSc में जो बैच है MBC 12, मेरा MBC कोड 36 है। और मैं अपने मेंटर्स रोशन सर का धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने काफ़ी सहयोग दिया इस एकेडमी में हमको क्लास अटेंड करवाने के लिए, और काफ़ी कुछ सहयोग दिया। जो भी प्रॉब्लम थी हमें उन चीज़ों को सॉर्ट आउट करवाया। दोस्तों आज हम ये एकेडमी जो ज्वाइन किए हैं, उस एकेडमी का मेन मकसद है कि चीज़ों को समझना, आप किस तरीके से समझते हैं, अपनी प्रोफाइल को कैसे अपडेट करते हैं, सोशल मीडिया में किस टाइप से आप अपनी एक्टिविटी रखते हैं, और अपने बिजनेस को कैसे प्रमोशन दे सकते हैं, और मेन बेसिक फाउंडेशन तैयार करना, मेन न्यू तैयार करना होता है। और इस न्यू में बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती है, जैसे